Hi, in this video, I will create a tutorial on how to use the dashboard template, specifically the sales template. At IZI App, we provide templates to make it easier for you to create dashboards and perform analyses. To get it, you can purchase the template on Odoo apps using the keyword Analytic Dashboard Template Sale. There are 3 templates in the search results, and I will select the one on the left. After downloading the template file, make sure to place it in the correct directory path so that the module can be detected by Odoo. In the Odoo, ensure that the template module is available in our Odoo by updating the app list first. For the step, click on the Apps module, then click Update App List and click Update. Then search for the template module to install it. Click Activate on the module, and wait a moment for the module installation to complete. Before creating the dashboard, we need to pull data into the template from the Data Source menu. For the steps, click on Apps Analytics, then click on the Data Source menu. Click Table. Search for the table template in the search bar, which is Table Query Sales. To ensure the data source is pulled into the table query, you need to click Get Fields. Next, we need to create the dashboard first. For the steps, click on the Dashboard menu. Then click on the name of the dashboard. Click New Dashboard. For naming the dashboard, I am naming it Dashboard Sales because we will be creating the dashboard using the sales template. Then click Save and Close. Search for the dashboard we created earlier, which is Dashboard Sales. Click the dashboard. On the dashboard, we can use one of the AI features to save time in creating the analysis. To do this, click the AI logo and then select Ask AI Consultant. In the Table section, choose the template table Query Sales that we previously pulled data from. At this stage, we can ask the AI to suggest what analysis can be performed. To do this, click on What analysis can you generate? There are 10 analysis suggestions. First, I want to see the sales trends by month. We can view the monthly sales from last year until now. The highest sales can be seen between January and March. To apply the analysis, you can directly click Add to Dashboard, or if you want to customize it first, you can click Configuration. At this stage, I want to add it directly to the dashboard. Click Add to Dashboard. Set the name of the analysis based on the relevant analysis name, which is Sales Month. Click Save. Next, I want to add another analysis. For example, I want to see sales based on product category. As you can see, the highest sales based on product category are for paints and coatings. Click Add to Dashboard. Then name the dashboard sales by product category. Click Save. Then, I want to add another analysis, which is Top Selling Product. Now, we can see from the product sales perspective that product cable ties has the highest product sales. Click Add to Dashboard. Then name the analysis Top 5 Products because I want to see the top 5 best-selling products. Click Save. Click Clear All to remove the previous chat in the Ask AI Consultant feature. In addition to seeing what analysis suggestions AI can provide, we can also ask AI specific questions. For example, you can ask, what is the total sales amount for this year? Click Add to Dashboard. Then name the analysis Annual Sales Amount. Then click Save. Next, I want to see how many units were sold this year. Click Add to Dashboard. Then name the analysis units sold. Click Save. And for the last analysis, I want the AI to display the product category sales by month. Click Add to Dashboard. Then name the analysis Sales Performance by category. Click Save. To close the Ask AI feature, click the AI logo again. Then click Ask AI Consultant. The next step, we will organize the layout of this sales dashboard. For the sales month analysis, we will change the visualization to a scorecard. To do this, click the name of the analysis, then click Open Analysis. Then click the Visual tab and select Trends. And add the dollar currency code to make the visual more appealing. And we can add Sort by Date. To do this, click the Data tab, and then select Date Order to sort. Close Configuration. We will also change the annual sales amount analysis to a scorecard. Click Open Analysis. Then click the Visual tab and select Score. For the scorecard seal, we can change the background color and border. For the background color and border, you can set the color to your desired choice. Here, I will demonstrate by using the color code FFA100. For the border, I will change the color using the same color code. And don't forget to add the dollar currency code to make it easier to read the analysis and enhance the visual appeal. To make it even more appealing, we can add a currency icon to the scorecard. Close Configuration. For the units sold analysis, we should also change it to a scorecard to make it easier to read the total sales. Click Open Analysis, then click the Visual tab and select Score. Don't forget to add the unit indicator to make it easier to read. Close Configuration. For the top 5 products analysis, we will change the visualization to a row and sort it in descending order. For the steps, click Open Analysis, then click the Visual tab. Click Row Visual, and we will sort in descending order based on sales and text. Since the title is Top 5 Products, we will limit the analysis to 5 items. Then close Configuration. And for the sales by category analysis, we will change the visualization to a pie chart. Click Open Analysis and then click Visual tab. Click Pie Chart Visual. Close Configuration. For the top 5 products analysis, to make it more visually appealing, we should change the legend position to the bottom. To do this, click Open Analysis, then in the Visual tab, change the legend position to bottom. Close Configuration. At this stage, we just need to organize the layout of the dashboard we've created. To do this, click on the plus icon, then select Edit Layout. After finishing organizing the layout, click Save Layout. To make the dashboard more visually appealing, we can change the theme to one of the available theme variants that we prefer. For the steps, click the palette icon, then select the colorful theme. Click Yes, and click OK. And boom, the dashboard is now completed.